certification programs or Lean Six Sigma, it starts with a white belt and yellow belt, which is more of an awareness certification programs. So with awareness certification programs, people try to understand what is this concept all about, what is the objective of Lean Six Sigma, or what is Lean Six Sigma helping organizations. So that's more of an awareness program that which will be helping organize people to understand about Lean Six Sigma. But when we do projects, the process improvement certification programs or the starting of any Lean Six Sigma projects start with a green belt. So a person who is a green belt will be doing a project which is a process level project where they can make improvements in processes in which they work or in other processes where they're assigned to. So green belt are people who are usually do process improvement in a specific process, or a specific problem will be given to them, and they do a systematic project using Lean Six Sigma methodology with a use of maybe a yellow belt who can be a team member in a green belt project. So green belt is usually a person who has been certified in most of the concepts of Six Sigma is known, and they know more hands-on experience on how the Lean Six Sigma projects are done, and they know the tools and techniques, and they do projects. So process improvement starts with the green belt who can do projects along with a team, and then proceeds to a black belt. A green belt with at least 2 or 3 years of experience can go into a black belt uh, certification. So once they have, or if they have a project-based experience, they can go into black belt certifications. So the black belt certification is more about more deeper statistical analysis, more deeper statistical inferences are made by a black belt. So difference between a green belt and black belt is more on higher tools and statistical tools are used in black belt. And then another important difference will be they're more experienced on doing process improvement projects, and they do more of organizational level projects, not only limited to process level projects. They do more of an organizational level project like increasing the profitability of the organization, increasing the revenue of the organization. So a lot of projects where multiple processes are involved, maybe it is multiple departments are involved. So a major project which will have a cost savings for the organization, and the organization is going to have a financial benefit. So those type of projects are done by a black belt. A master black belt are people like me who are consultants or trainers who need to more of a uh, consulting role and a trainer role. So it is how the master black belts are looked into. So not all the people go into the master black belt level. People who are passionate about training, passionate about teaching, and they want to work as a consultant in a longer term with at least 15 years of experience in process improvement, so they can proceed to a master black belt level. So this is how the different levels are there. So if you see master black belt, if you can relate, it's like a PhD in Lean Six Sigma. Black belt is like a master's degree in Lean Six Sigma. Green belt is more of a bachelor's degree in Lean Six Sigma. Yellow belt or white belt, you can say yellow belt can be a diploma kind of a thing, and white belt can be a certificate or just an awareness certificate being given. So that is how we can look into this differences comes in. So the difference comes into the broader the knowledge that they have, the statistical tools that they'll be knowing, hands-on experience that they have. So when you come to a green belt, we'll start with basic the analysis tools, and the different project deliverables will be taught to you in more details, and how this in a live case study we'll be looking into. So when you come to black belt, more of a statistical analysis, more deeper hypothesis test, and more sophisticated uh, statistical analysis is done. Master black belt is more of a PhD level where you have to teach people, and then you'll be evaluated on those teachings. and it is a long-term where it's a master black belt comes in. So green belt and black belt are mostly all organization looks for implementing Six Sigma in organizations. So that's why it is important to know that the different levels of Lean Six Sigma. It is similar to that of a martial arts. So when Motorola, Bill Smith developed it, I know he gave this namings similar to that of the martial arts, the karate or the taekwondo that we can look into. So it is similar to that. Now here the difference is in martial arts you're fighting with an opponent or a person, but here you're going to fight with a process when it has a problem. So you're not fighting with people in the industries. You're going to fight with a process and trying to improve it. So as you do a lot of projects and resolve problems, so the certification level increases based on your knowledge on it. So that is how the different levels of certification programs are designed by Motorola. So it is start with a white belt and yellow belt, which is an awareness certification programs. Green belt, black belt, and master black belt are process improvement certification programs. So any person who is can go to a green belt if they want to proceed to to understand more about Six Sigma and they want to learn more about Six Sigma. So they can start with green belt and then over a period of time they can go into black belt, and if they have those passion for training and consulting they can go into master black belt certification.